And how's it going, guys? This is 7 Tech, and finally we get some 5G up in this house. For those of you that don't know, I've been talking about 5G for the longest time now, and now it's about time for me to test it out for myself, so I can give you guys a full in-depth review on how Rain works and what you can expect in the Rain service. But this video today is just an unboxing of the router and installation, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Basically, all you need to do is to take this, and then I'm using two hands, so you're gonna have to forgive me. You have to forgive me.